And today, special thanks to my friends at Supcase who were nice enough to send me this Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the 2025 iPhone Air. So inside of this box, we have a Unicorn Beetle Pro Supcase case. Nothing else in there. Which this case will fully protect your phone. It's foam. So it does include one of my favorites, the Supcase belt clip. It of course can rotate all the way around, put however you would like the belt clip on your belt. Then this is a little set of instructions. You do have a camera control button, and then this is like a little owner's manual and stuff like that. Now this is the case. Now this one is a blue colored case. As you can see, we will peel these little stickers off here, and to take this case apart, just start at this corner and kind of peel back, and then the case comes apart like so. Take that out. I can take this off. Then I can actually put this on my iPhone Air. So this is a full screen protector, as you can see, completely solid. So just take one side and kind of pop right into place like so. And then you essentially do the same here. Take this left side, pop it into place, and then as everything else kind of goes around, it'll all just snap into place for you. Bam. And then once it's all the way around the phone, you can see you've got this nice blue outline here, and then very nice thick rubber corners for when you drop your phone. Of course, your button works for your camera control, your power, volume rockers. At the bottom, of course, your mics and your USB-C port. Your camera is nicely visible. Beautiful back of the phone. And one of my favorite features, the built-in kickstand, because you can watch horizontal video or vertical video on the go. And then, of course, just pop this back down out of your way, and now you're back on the go. So that'll essentially do it for this unboxing and demonstration of this Unicorn Beetle Pro case from Supcase for the iPhone Air 2025. Thanks again to Supcase who was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.